on cloud tilt na mukhang Loewe pero mas affordable. Tara, unbox natin. Once again, this is Lex, your sneaker specialist of collector finds. So this is the on cloud tilt Moon in black colorway. So ito pala ay pair ni Zendaya, but this time for the cloud tilt Moon, meron na siyang collaborate with Law Roach, which is her stylist. For the Cloud Tilt Moon, mas comfortable na siya at mas more into lifestyle wear kasi yung Cloud Tilt before, medyo matigas yung dito sa tongue part niya and walang padding dito sa sock liner. This is the black colorway and medyo hawig na ito ni Loewe kasi pansin ni siguro ni On Cloud na si Loewe ay hindi talaga for the mass market. Kaya gumawa sila ng Cloud Tilt Moon para mas affordable ng masa. So which one do you prefer? Is the regular Cloud Tilt, the Cloud Tilt Moon, or the Loewe? Let me know sa comment section. And if you want to purchase the Cloud Tilt Moon, syempre, meron pa rin yan sa collector finds. Pero stocks are very limited. Kaya, pag nakita mo to, message mo na agad sila. Now,